I don't, Cyrus, it's okay, Cyrus, take a new page. Yes, we are going to start now. In between, I won't be able to. John, please take out your notebook.
English notes, ma'am.
See this, who's this, ma? Sri Mugilan, please listen, Sri Mugilan, past 2 days I'm telling. Test note. We are going to start a written work. Test note, one thin notebook. Yesterday I told, this morning I told in maths class, please come little early and ask your doubts. All of you turn on your camera. Take out your test note, everybody. Those who finish showing me, sit down.
Same notebook.
See this child. Excuse me, Sri Mugilan. You have written one test in the EVS test, plant lesson. Only take the test note, TEST test note. Where Cleona ma'am gave test. We will write English and EVS test in that. Please take test note. Children can understand, parents are just confusing them. Other children are ready with the note. I'm going to start now. Turn off your microphone and turn on your camera. I will see now. Children, good morning, children. I do not want any parent to help them. I don't want any of you write the answer now. We are going to write only the questions right now. Listen carefully. I don't want any questions in between. I don't want any parent sitting with the child. I will come in between and see the screen. I don't want any parent sitting with them. The child should copy only the questions now. No writing the answer. Nobody is supposed to tell the answers. I think it's clear to everybody. They will write. Now I'll show you what you have to do. See there. Now this is, just look at the screen. Don't write anything. Just look at the screen. Don't write anything. Take a new page in your test note. TEST-NOTE test note. Because I saw Kailina taking English textbook. Just read. Don't write the instructions. Don't write the next instruction also. That you can write. This one. Grade 2 English. You have to write on the first line. Don't write anything. Anything else. Only write. I will check now. Grade 2 English. Right. Grade 2 English on the first line. And next line, assignment 1. ASSIGNMENT. Assignment 1. Children, if you want, you can write the instructions because some parents won't know what they have to do. See the instructions given. This one, don't write that instructions to be written in the test note. We are going to write. Don't write. And next instruction, you see, take a photo of it. After writing this, now listen, take a photo of it and upload it before the date is given. How you did EVS. Don't write those two. Now I want to see everybody. Excuse me. I want to see your notebook. Grade 2 English assignment. That's all. Kailina, give me, see, some parent is writing for her. I don't know what to do. Kailina, tell your sister to move from there, please. You are not supposed to tell anything to these children. Now, Mitra, did you write grade 2 English? Who finished writing grade 2 English, children? Yes. Did you write today's date? In the margin, 18-8. Niral, write the date in the margin. See, I told you who's this boy. Ahil, grade 2, English capital E. How it's written on the screen. I'll show you. That's all. Nothing else you must write. Now let me see. Please see. See here. Grade 2 English first line. Second line assignment 1. You all are writing on the same line. First line, grade 2 English capital E. I don't know why these children are not writing. Please listen carefully and write. Parents, don't tell them any answers, please. Only questions. Now, grade 2 English. Please write exactly. I'm telling again and again, you all are doing something else. Now, assignment second line. I want to see. Yes. Tanvi, just show your notebook. Tanvi, show your notebook. Please show next to the screen. First line. Very good. That's all. Not, did I ask you to write the plural, Tanvi? Children, please listen, children. You don't write any answer. Only ma'am will tell you. Now wait. Those are doing beforehand, I don't know what to do. You have to listen. Jeff, show me your notebook, Jeff. Cyrus also will write everything fast. No. Show me. Cyrus, show me your notebook. Jeff has taken wrong book, I think. Let it. Is it double rule book? See? Who's that? Cyrus. Cyrus, don't write in. Okay, don't write instructions now. Did you write instruction for EVS first? No.
No, ma'am.
Then why did you write, Cyrus? Only write English assignment. Now I'll tell what to do. Okay, come. Now I'm going to tell you the next one. Now listen. Do not write instructions to be written in the test note. That is for you. For you, ma'am is telling you have to write this in your test note. Take a photo of it and all that later. Now, after writing English, assignment 1, leave a line number 1 in the margin. Leave a line number 1 in the margin. Please listen to ma'am and write, because principal ma'am is going to correct all the answer sheets, not us. Okay, ma'am will correct all the answers. Be careful. Ma'am will come and check the questions written here. Now, number 1, W-R-I-T-E, right? T-H-E, the plural of. Now, this is very important. Effie, did you write the first question? Write the plural of. Effie? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, children, if you are not listening to me, no mark will be given. Now, in the margin, don't leave any line. Ahil, don't leave any line. Everybody, don't leave. Write in the margin 1 to 10 numbers. Write in the margin 1 to 10 numbers. In the margin 1 to 10 numbers. That's all. Let me see. In the margin. Tanvi, did you write 1 to 10 numbers in the margin? See this, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now wait. Now, from the screen, you can copy 1 to 10 questions. No answer. 1 to 10 questions from the screen you copy. Then I will tell you what you have to do. From the screen, Mitra, copy all the questions 1 to 10. Only write the questions. Don't write anything else. Mitra's taken a wrong book. Keep it on the table, Mitra. Ahil, are you writing? Kushagra, show me the book, Kushagra. Please, Kushagra's taken thick book. Yes, write 1 to 10 numbers. Then write all the questions. No, this boy, don't write any answer, please. How many times I'm telling, don't write any answer now. Children, write all 1 to 10 questions. Yes. Kailina, write 1 to 10 questions. I'm giving you enough time. Tanvi, you're not supposed to talk to anybody. We are just checking how you're going to write the test. No one should help them. We can go back to the recording and we'll see whoever's helping them, no mark will be given. Okay. Just write 1 to 10 questions. That's all. No answers. No answers. 1 to 10 questions. All must write fast. John, where are you? John? John? Yes, I want to see you. I want to see you. Did you write 1 to 10 questions?
Ma'am, I'm only starting now.
That's it, John. This is a test in class, John. All must write together. Now I will go to the next question. Please write, John.
Okay.
1 to 10 questions. I want to see 1 to 10. See, if we write fast. All the Mishti. Huh? Mishti. Mishti. Mishti, where are you, Mishti? I told you all must be present. I'll have to inform in the office. These children are not present. Afterwards, a big problem will arise. Okay, Cyrus, good. Wait, Cyrus, don't write anything, okay? Cyrus, you don't. See, I'm just watching the children, whether they are independent. Niral, did you write, Niral?
Ma'am, I finished it, ma'am.
Only the question. Very good. Tridip, what happened, Tridip, in the morning? You didn't get maths link. Did you join maths class today? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, okay. Okay.
I finished it, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Now let me see. Mitra, did you write 1 to 10? Mitra, please answer, Mitra. Did you write 1 to 10? After writing 1 to 10 questions, you do very good. Now I'll tell you. Now listen. Instead of putting hyphen, understood? Instead of putting hyphen, draw one line after writing all the questions. In the middle of your page, draw one line. Then it will be neat. Draw one line in the middle. So the answers can be written the other side. Don't worry. Okay. Draw a line. Now I want to see. Hands. Hands. 1 minute, children.
ഇങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ ചെയ്തു ഇപ്പൊ എന്തൊക്കെയാ കാണിച്ചു കൂട്ടുണ്ട്.
Okay, now, excuse me. Children, you have to listen to me. Tridip, show me your notebook now. Children, you have to listen. We cannot be screaming like this. Tridip, show me your notebook, whether you have written everything. Tridip, Draw a line in the middle. Yes, that's all. Everybody finished? Cyrus finished drawing the line? Who did not do it?
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
1 minute. Turn the page, Cyrus. Those who finished drawing. Mitra, did you write, Mitra? Those who finished, turn the page. Don't write it. Ahil, did you finish? Show me the book. Show me your notebook, Ahil. Yes. Those who finish writing, yes. Draw a line, Ahil, in the middle. Yes. Draw a line in the middle. Because you have to write the answer after line. Mitra, please answer me, Mitra. Show me your notebook, Mitra. Yes. Where is the line drawn?
Ma'am.
Mitra, did you write the answers, Mitra?
Yes.
I don't know what to do with these children. Children, don't write the answer now. Wait. After writing the question, turn the page. Don't do anything now, Mitra. Leave it. I don't know how to explain to you all children. Nobody is listening properly. I never asked you to write the answers now. That's what you are not listening to the next instruction. Now please turn the page, children. After writing 10 questions. Now still, please turn the page. After writing 10 questions. Nobody is going to give you mark. Mitra, I'm telling you, turn the page, please.
Ma'am, I finished turning.
Only the questions from men, I'm telling. Only write the question, writing the answer. You're not listening, you will get 0. That's all. I'm telling you. I don't want your answer now. Now, turn your page. Turn your page. Now you have to write. Listen here. Roman number 2. Please write. Turn your page. I want everybody to turn your page. Sugandhi, sorry. 1 minute. I don't know how it's coming like this when I'm not. Now, only write the question and your notebook should be like this, children. Notebook should. Only write the questions and keep it. That's all. Now, next page. Yes. Roman number 2. Next page. Parents, I don't want them to write the answers now. Please. You don't tell them. Let them write the question first. Rearrange. R-E-A. Look at the screen and write. Rearrange. R-E-A-R-R-A-N-G-E. Rearrange the words. When you rearrange this word, you will get a proper sentence. T-H-E, the words. W-O-R-D-S, words. To make. T-O-2, make. Sentences. To make sentences. Rearrange the words to make sentences. Fatima, did you write this question, Fatima?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now, leave a line. Everyone, leave a line. Everybody, write the wrong words, jumbled words. Number 1, ducky, flat, had, feet. Write the same thing in your notebook. Leave a line. Number 1. Listen to me carefully. Leave a line. Number 1. Ducky, flat, had, feet. Only that. Now, listen carefully. Now let me see. Tridib, did you write this? Ducky, flat, had, feet. Did you write?
Writing, ma'am.
Okay, slowly you write. No problem. I'm asking you because I want to know whether you finished. Write DOCKY. You can do cursive. Only when I call you have to write. FLAT, flat. HAD, had. FEET, feet. Now, Shashwata, tell me whether you wrote this. Shashwata.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, leave 2 lines. Don't writing answers now. Leave 2 lines. Leave 2 lines. Number 2. Only 1 line left. That's for answer. After answer, leave 1 line. Okay. First line is here for the answer. Then the next line, leave a line. So you have to leave 2 lines now. You have to leave 2 lines. Everyone, 2 double row lines. Then write number 2. Write number 2. Write number 2. HUNTER, hunter. HUNTER, hunter. WAS, was. THE, the. THE, the. HAPPY, happy. Sanjit, are you there, Sanjit? Did you write second one, Sanjit? I will see the notebook.
No, ma'am.
Okay, slowly. Did you write the first one? Don't write the answer.
I write heading only.
Oh, this page.
Ma'am, I finished that.
Parents, don't tell them anything. I am telling them, let them write. If you come in between, the children will be confused. For everybody, I'm telling. When I'm calling that person, that child will talk to me. You are telling something, the child will write something else. Number 2, Sanjit, please write HUNTER, hunter. I am waiting, I'm calling out each letter. WAS, was. THE, the. HAPPY, happy. Ashwant. Ashwant.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Ashwant, can you please tell me whether you have written second one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good, good, good. Now, leave 2 lines. Leave 2 lines. Leave 2 lines. No. Leave 2 lines. Leave 2 lines. Number 3. Leave 2 lines. Number 3. Leave 2 lines. Number 3. Now, John, did you write second one? John Matthew.
I'm writing, ma'am.
Which one are you writing, John?
The second one.
Okay, John, you have to listen to me because I was telling the spelling of each word. You have to write when I tell you to write. Okay, I'm very, very strict about it. No playing in class. Okay, write fast. Thrice I finished telling the spellings of each word. Okay, hunter was. Yes, some children finish writing and others are just playing in class. Now leave 2 lines. Write number 3. Right. SAW. So. SAW. So. Don't write any answer. Leave a line. Sorry. Leave space A. SHEC. SHEC. Then sparrow. SP. SP. A. RR. OW. I just want to see everybody writing. Oh, you finished, ma, but what about others? Now don't write, leave 2 lines. Okay, I'll just see you all. 1 minute, 1 minute. I'll just see you all. Okay, now listen. Have you written all the 3 questions? Roman number 2? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Alan, everybody, now listen. Come back to the first one, write the answers now. Excuse me. Come back to the first one. Mitra, listen to me. Take the first page. Write the plural of. I want to see you all writing the answers right now. John, write the answer. Is this John doing? John, if principal ma'am comes to class, that's all. Please listen carefully. Take the first page. Write the plural of. Yes, very good, Kushagra. Write all the answers, John. Be good. Don't ask anybody anything. Yes, I'm just watching everyone. Kailina, turn on your camera. Kailina. No, she's not. Kailina. Yes. Parents, don't help them, please. Let them write. Let me see. Kushagra, what all things you know, you write, Kushagra. Don't ask anybody. Kushagra, write. I'm just checking you whether you're writing the answers. You don't know, just leave it. Don't worry about the answers. If you know, who's that helping, Kushagra, please? Somebody is telling the answer to Kushagra. Kushagra, please don't ask anybody. Yes, you don't ask anyone, you write. Who's helping you, Kushagra? See, somebody is there, I can see. Please write, Kushagra. When you write something, no one should be next to you, okay? See how Alan is writing, Cyrus, Jeff, Effie. Yes, good. Good, Sri Mukilan. Don't worry about the time. You just write. Let me see. Let me see. You don't worry about the answers. What you know, you write. We are just checking. Yeah. Sri Mukilan, you're sitting in class. Did you complete the work? Sri Mukilan? Okay, okay. Jeff.
Ma'am.
Okay. You completed the 10 answers.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Now, I don't want anybody to tell them, please. Turn your page. Jeff, did you write all the 10 answers, Jeff?
I'm writing, ma'am.
Okay, write slowly. Ma'am will wait. Yes, Effie, good. Each one must be independent to write. Don't ask anybody anything. You have any doubt, you ask me, I will tell you the question. Those who finish first page can do the second page now. Very good. You can do, Sri Mugilan, do the second page. I don't want any parent to tell them the answer. Thank you. Yes, John. Mugilan. Mugilan, turn your page and do the second one. Sri Mugilan, keep your notebook down. Yes. Very good. Turn your page. Don't show me the answers now. 1 minute. Sri Mugilan, turn off your phone. Turn your page. Very good. Who said I finished? Turn your page and take the second. Yes, I saw that. Effie, turn your page, Effie. Good, good. Effie, turn your page and do the second one, Roman number 2, rearrange. Present. Yes. Present. Present. Don't shoot anybody. Roman number 2, you have to complete. And see the instruction on the screen, okay? And you have to do accordingly. All must read the instructions given before giving the assignment. Okay, I will just show you once. 1 minute, 1 minute. Listen now, 1 minute, 1 minute. Now everybody finish writing, I think so. Ahil, did you write all the questions, Ahil? Yes. Yes. Very good. Now Sia, read the instructions. Read the instructions. To be written in the test note that you finish writing. You write the questions, you write all the answers. Some children last time.
Some baby.
1 minute, 1 minute. You write the answers, first page, second page. Take a photo of it, upload it before the date is given. All the parents must check the date. This is for English. Okay, 28/8/2020. So we are giving you enough time. You have to do it. No parents should help. Parents, if you help them to write, then the child will not learn. Okay. Now, most of them have written in class itself. They are doing Roman number 2. Okay, children. I think it's clear to everybody because you have done EVS before. Any doubt you can ask me now.
No doubt, ma'am.
Any doubt? 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me finish this. Okay, 1 minute.